Have you ever heard on a term, do no harm but don't take any shit? This is one of these videos. Welcome. Let's dive into a justice spell. For this spell, you are going to need something to draw with, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon, salt, you can see, here's the salt, and 1 preferably plastic bag with a zip. So you need to understand that we are not doing anything bad. This is just a justice spell, it's not a revenge. First, you're going to take a piece of garlic and draw an eye on it. Then you will put the garlic in the bag. After that, you will cover it with the sea salt. Just close it up. And the spell is done. Take it and leave it under your pillow for 3 days. The most important thing is to watch the people who will get sick in that 3 days, and you will find out who sends you the bad energy. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.